So let's talk about curly hair, African American hair for FUE. As you may know by now, there are two ways to extract the donor hair from the back. There's the traditional FUT or strip method, where a linear strip of skin is removed from the back, leaving you a small, tiny linear scar. And then there's a little bit of a newer way to do this called Follicular Unit Extraction, or FUE. FUE, by contrast, you having little punches, little cylindrical punches that are taken from the entire area of the donor in the back. This does not leave you with a linear scar, but it does leave you with a lot of little tiny scars. The problem for curly hair, African American hair, is that you cannot see the follicle root as you're making your extraction. Because of this, oftentimes the grafts are damaged in the process or don't produce a viable graft that will actually grow. It takes a very, very experienced FUE operator to make sure that these grafts are not being damaged in the process. By contrast, the strip technique, although more traditional, gives you visualization of the root of the hair as you're making your piece. This is a blind technique versus a visualized technique. In general, FUE for curly hair is not as good as a traditional strip technique for curly hair, African American FUE. Please be careful when you're making this distinction for your hair type. There is no one fits all for every single hair type. Here at Natural Transplants, we provide both FUE and FUT and want to give you the right choice for your hair type. If you have any questions about African American FUE or any type of FUE, please give us a call here at Natural Transplants. We'd be happy to talk to you. 844-327-4247. Thanks.